So this is Hafiza and I'm from India, Tamil Nadu.
Hello, this is Hajira. I'm also from India, Tamil Nadu.
We both are sisters.
We got to know about Sarsan Aviation Academy through YouTube. So we saw a video about.
There was Miss Suaad Al Shamsi in the video, and we got inspired through her to study here. My initial plan was being an aerospace engineer, but then through all the universities and everything I looked through, there wasn't really hands-on experience. So Sarsan here gives hands-on experience so that we are ready for on-field job. So that's why Sarsan became my priority.
For me personally, my first choice was to be a pilot. So I was planning to get my CPL and then PPL and everything, but I thought that, and then I came across this course called Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, which I had no clue about before. But then I think after getting to know this, I became even more enthusiastic to learn this job and go through this field. Because if you see, there's very less women in this field particularly, and I would want to change that. That's